Hi everyone, this is Vedant. I'm one of the maintainers of LitmusChaos. Today I will be talking about LitmusChaos and its journey towards CNCF graduation. So before starting with the same, just a little bit of introduction about LitmusChaos. So if you don't know about it, LitmusChaos is a tool which you can use to induce chaos into different layers of your applications, but in a controlled way. In terms of metrics, it is being currently used and adopted by around 250 plus enterprise customers. And if you look at last year metrics, we have around 2 million plus Litmus installations till now. We have around 68 million Docker pulls, 300% usage increase in last 1 year. 21 active maintainers. This is going to increase because just now we have implemented a new governance model, which includes voting model as well. So according to that, it is going to increase. We are also working with different community members on the same. And then we have also done 100 plus releases. So yes, we have done our own sanctuary. And then we have 2,500 plus community members. So if you haven't joined it yet, I will be sharing a QR code for the same. You can scan it and join our Slack channel. So firstly, we'll be talking about the audits we have done till now. So we have done 2 audits till now. One is security audit, another one is the documentation audit. Security audit was done by a 7A security team. As part of that, we fixed many vulnerabilities, be it at the application level, be it at the network level, be it at the API protection level. And we also enhanced our CI/CD pipeline so that we don't find those issues again. And we implemented, admission controller to restrict malicious users from creating privileged pods because LitmusChaos itself needs privileged access to, do the chaos. Coming to the documentation audit, it was done by Nate and Dev team from the CNCF team. With their help, we were able to, remove different obsolete websites that we had, older LitmusChaos websites, V1 and V2 docs. We also, worked on, updating our structures to maintain the consistency. We are also working on, adding more tutorial sections to help the early or beginner users to get started with LitmusChaos as soon as possible. Then coming to the LFX mentorships, LitmusChaos as a CNCF project also actively participates into LFX mentorship. This year also in this term, we are working on 3 different tasks with 3 different mentees who are already selected. One of the tasks is to improve code coverage for observability in LitmusChaos. Other one is to provide a flexible way to interact with our LitmusChaos APIs, be it Terraform, be it GitHub Actions, be it GitLab templates, or even SDKs. And then lastly, we have our documentation task, which is to add different documentation sections with respect to tutorials, and keeping it the structure like day 1, day 0, like that. Next is what's coming up in future. So we are currently working on, as you saw, right, in LFX mentorship, we are also working with different mentees on SDK support, Terraform support. So that is also something which is in progress. Similarly, we are also looking over to the K8s GPT integration to provide a recommended way approach to run chaos experiments, where to run, how to run, what to run. And then similarly, we currently use dedicated agents to induce chaos, be it in your bare metal servers or Kubernetes clusters, to avoid that, to have a transient runner running and to be able to do chaos via the remote agent. That is something which we have in our future in mind. And then lastly, we have native chaos workflows also to be able to manage the whole lifecycle of experience by ourselves. And then open telemetry is the one which is we are currently working as one of the tasks in LFX mentorships. Lastly, I would say thanks for listening to me. We have, I have shared 2 QR codes here. One is for, checking out our LitmusChaos websites, and one is for, joining us LitmusChaos Slack. And with that, we also have one more talk coming up in the maintainer track, which you can join. There will be more in-depth updates about what's going on with the LitmusChaos. Saranya and Sarthak will be there, who are also, maintainers of LitmusChaos. And similarly, we also have a project pavilion, Chaos 10A. There also you can join. We have our afternoon, hours there. So yeah, thanks everyone. That's all I had.